Want to master prompts like a pro? Prompts are the secret key to unlocking AI's full potential. In this video and the series ahead, I'll show you exactly how. Let's dive in. Prompts are important because the quality of your question shapes the quality of your answer. A good prompt unlocks better ideas, solutions, and guidance from ChatGPT. Basically, the better you ask, the better you grow. Imagine having a personal assistant, a life coach, a fitness trainer, a financial planner, and even a therapist, all in your pocket, available 24/7. That's what ChatGPT can feel like, if you know the right prompts. But here's the truth. Most people only scratch the surface. They just ask basic questions and miss out on how powerful ChatGPT really is. So today, I'm giving you 10 proven prompts that can actually upgrade your life, from your morning routine to your finances, your career, your health, and even your mindset. And the best part, you can literally copy-paste these prompts and start using them right after this video. The first prompt is, create the perfect 30-minute morning routine for more energy and focus. Most of us just wake up, check our phones, and rush out the door. But with this prompt, ChatGPT can design a routine that fits your lifestyle, whether you're a student, a parent, or someone working late-night shifts. For example, when I tried it, it suggested, wake up, hydrate with a glass of water, do 5 minutes of stretching, 10 minutes of journaling, and a quick visualization exercise for the day. That's something I never thought of, but now it sets me up to win the day, along with the logic behind why this will work. The second prompt is, give me a 5-step system to avoid procrastination and get more done. Let's be honest. We all postpone tasks. I know I do. But instead of generic advice like just focus, ChatGPT can build you a framework. For me, it suggested using the Pomodoro technique, breaking tasks into 10-minute micro steps, and writing down the next tiny action instead of the whole task. That small shift, breaking things down, completely changed how quickly I can finish projects. Before prompt, I want to recall this saying, when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. Prompt number 3. Make me a weekly meal plan that's healthy, quick, and budget-friendly options and give me the shopping list. How many times have you stood in front of the fridge wondering, what should I eat today? ChatGPT solves that instantly. You can add, I'm vegetarian or non-vegetarian or vegan, or I'm in keto diet or carb-free diet, or I only have 20 minutes to cook, or even I'm on a $50 grocery budget. ChatGPT then builds not just meals, but also a shopping list with exact quantities. That means less stress, less wasted food, and more savings. Number 4. Explain a topic to me like I'm 12, then give me an advanced version. This is one of my favorites because it makes learning effortless. When I asked about the stock market, the 12-year-old version explained it like a simple lemonade stand business. But then the advanced version broke down diversification, risk management, and even market psychology. So instead of getting overwhelmed, you learn step by step. It's like having a tutor who adapts to your level. Number 5. Give me a monthly budget plan to save money while still enjoying life. Here's the problem with budgeting. Most people either save too aggressively and feel miserable, or they don't save at all. But ChatGPT can balance it for you. For example, it suggested splitting income into 50% essentials, 30% fun, and 20% savings. It even recommended apps and automation strategies so I didn't have to think about it. The result? I'm saving money while still enjoying little luxuries without guilt. Prompt number 6. Design a beginner-friendly workout I can do at home with no equipment. If you've ever skipped workouts because you don't have a gym membership, this solves that excuse. When I tested it, ChatGPT gave me a 20-minute circuit. Push-ups, squats, planks, and stretching. And when I said make it a 30-day challenge, it gave me a full calendar to track my progress. So it's basically like having a free fitness coach. Number 7, give me a 10-minute daily mindfulness routine to reduce stress. Stress is unavoidable, but how we manage it makes all the difference. ChatGPT will guide you through things like mindful breathing, a quick gratitude practice, and even visualization. The first time I tried it, I thought, okay, this is too simple. But after just 10 minutes, I genuinely felt calmer, more focused, and less reactive. Sometimes the small routines make the biggest difference. Prompt number 8. Help me write a LinkedIn summary that makes me stand out. If you've ever struggled to write about yourself, this is gold. You paste in your resume or tell ChatGPT your career goals, and it will turn it into a professional, polished summary that highlights your skills without sounding robotic. I've seen people land interviews just from upgrading their LinkedIn with this one prompt. Prompt number 9. Organize my weekly schedule so I can balance work, family, and self-care. We're all busy, and it's easy to feel like there's never enough time. But ChatGPT can take your to-do list and slot it into a realistic weekly calendar, while also making sure you're not burning out. For me, it actually scheduled breaks, family time, and even reading time. That simple structure gave me clarity and balance I didn't have before. You can add your preferences, and it will tailor according to that. And finally, number 10. Give me a list of 5 habits that will upgrade my life in the next 90 days, with steps to stick to them. The beauty of this prompt is that it's not just a list. ChatGPT also explains how to make each habit stick, like habit stacking, accountability, or using reminders. When I tried it, the 5 habits it gave me were journaling daily, reading for 20 minutes, exercising 3 times a week, practicing gratitude, and weekly reflection. And you know what? Doing just a few of them consistently has completely shifted my mindset. Let's quickly recap the 10 prompts. Create a morning routine. Beat procrastination, plan weekly meals, learn faster, build a budget, home workouts, stress management, LinkedIn summary, weekly schedule, 90-day life habits. Here's the truth. ChatGPT is only as powerful as the prompts you give it. The more specific you are, the more life-changing the results. So my challenge to you is this. Pick just one of these prompts, try it today, and watch how quickly it makes a difference. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who could use a life upgrade. Because remember, sometimes the smallest prompts can create the biggest changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit subscribe and smash that like button. We've got more powerful videos coming to help you build unstoppable confidence.